In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a C# function, what a C# function is, how can we create a function that returns a value, how to create a function that accepts arguments, that accept different type of arguments as arrays, and return these type of things. So let's get started. First of all, a C# function is like a machine that takes input, processes it, and supplies the result in a meaningful form. So there are two main parts of a function, and we declare each C# function inside C# class. So let me create a function. Void aid So I've created a single function inside the class program. This function has two main parts: the signature and the body. The signature of function contains access modifiers, how this function can be accessed, the function attribute, the function return type, in this case is void, the function name, and the brackets. And we can provide parameters to it: int num1 comma int num2. So this is our machine having two main parts. This part is a signature and this is the body. So a signature consists of its function return type. If you remember, I called it function is machine. So it takes input, processes it, and supplies the result. So the input it takes, the function name or machine name is aid. The input it takes are two numbers, that is num1, num2, that are type of integers, and we can supply any type of parameter or input to it, like we can do string, and that is code, some type of code we can return, but now the function is 8, so we can supply only two numbers that could be added, and nothing it is returned, means there is no any output, so we specify void. This void represents the way or a place where an output can be stored, or output type would be, for example, if we add these two numbers and returns the sum, so as integer we can write there int, so that this add function will add the supplied two numbers and returns the result as integer. So here we can write return num1 and num2. So write like this: num1 plus num2. Don't be confused with these two words, these access modifiers and static keyword. I will make another tutorial on these in the next video. So this function will return the sum of two parameters supplied by the function, and this is the processing part. So processing the supplied input. Now we can access this function here, like console dot write lines or write, and we can and the sum is plus aid, which is this function. So we have to supply the uh, argument values or parameter values. This is first integer and second integer, so that it could be added. I'm going to supply 12 and 40, so it will add these two numbers and returns 26 here. But we have to stop execution at the end so that we can see the results. Control R again. Now let's see. The sum is 26. So this function is a read write function, that is set get function. This function gets the so we can supply value or input to this function. Whatever operation it has to perform, it will perform and returns the output as integer that we can consume here. So this is enough for today. I hope you understand what a function is, how can we create a function, what function parameters are. These are the function parameters, and what a function output is. Have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.